Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later on the application of Repeat TV. We click on settings. We click here. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we click on Repeat TV. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to super chat, pay like and subscribe. See you next time.